Hi guys, so we are back, and I guess if you look straight ahead, we are headed on a mini shopping trip yet again, and we decided to bring you with us. So we are literally sitting at the border waiting to go through, and as you can see there, we're at the Queenston-Lewiston border. So come along with us for a little mini adventure. Okay, we've been sitting here for around 3 minutes, waiting for our turn. We're still waiting, guys. For whatever reason, this is the slowest moving lane, and of course, we're stuck in it. Oh, still waiting. Okay, it looks like we may be moving. Or not. Yep, think we're going now. Here we go. Let's see how they interrogate us. Yes.
What's your citizenships?
Canadian.
Okay, how you guys know each other?
We're married.
All right, where you going, folks?
Cheektowaga.
Purpose of your trip?
Little shopping.
Returning back today?
No, tomorrow.
Where you staying at? What hotel?
Fairfield Inn?
Any meats, fruits, vegetables, alcohol, tobacco?
No.
And how much currency or cash you traveling with roughly?
$90 American.
All right. You cross often?
Yeah, frequently.
Outside.
Thank you.
Go on.
Well, guys, that was easy. Yay! We're in America! Okay, guys, we're gonna drive carefully and we'll talk to you soon. Well, hubby and I just came back from yet another little mini shopping trip from Buffalo. And this time I didn't vlog because, I took you guys with me last time and it wasn't too long ago. So, we pretty much hit up the same stores. But I thought I'd share with you what I did end up purchasing this time around. So, if you want to see what I purchased in the US of A, please keep on watching. Okay, so let us start off with Walmart. I didn't purchase a whole lot, but I'll show you what I did purchase. I purchased some wax melts. I purchased by the Better Homes and Gardens the exotic Paradise Punch. I've hauled this before and I absolutely love it. It does smell like fruit punch, gummy bears, what have you, and I love that scent. It just reminds me of my childhood. And you know what, I have my nieces and they love it too, so I picked up some of that, and it's this nice bright blue wax. So I picked up one of those. I also picked up, this is by Sensationals. I don't know if they have this one here in Canada. It's the Woodland Magic. And it says here, not all who wander are lost. And this is a very nice, almost has a bit of cologne, which I'm not too fond of, but not overpowering cologne. So we'll see how that one is. I picked that one up. I also picked up the Summer Fruit Medley. I think I have this one already. I'm not 100% sure. It does say limited edition. Whether I do or not, I love the scent. So pick that up. It's very nice, fresh, and vibrant. I picked up 2 deodorants. These were on sale. These are by the Suave brand, 24-hour protection. These were like, I think they were like 88 cents, 87 cents. So I picked up 2. Again, nothing too crazy. Picked up the Milani a more matte lipstick. This is in the color Fling number 26, and it's like a nude pink mauve type color. So pick that up. And wow, this is exciting. By the Equate brand, I picked up some extra strength headache relief. So this is acetaminophen, aspirin, and looks like there's some caffeine in there. Anyways, this was like $3 and change. So pick that up again from Walmart. I also picked up some bras and underwears, which I don't think you want to see. Pick that up. So that was from Walmart. Again, nothing too exciting. We didn't really need anything. Let's see here. From Burlington Coat Factory. Again, not a whole lot. For my niece, I picked her up these little Fila slides. I thought they were super cute in this bright, vibrant pink. And these were $8.99. Sorry, I'm not giving you any prices. But picked her up a pair of those from Isabella. For my littlest niece, I picked her up this little doll, Little Darlings. She loves her little dolls. She's at that stage, so picked her up that. How cute is she? Look at that face. So picked her up that. And for myself, I just picked up these Puma leggings. These are the capri length. You can see on one leg it says Puma right there. So I picked those up. These are really nice quality. So just picked that up. Again, nothing spectacular. And I think that's all I picked up from Burlington Coat Factory. Oh, sorry, there is one other thing from Burlington Coat Factory. I picked up these pair of blackout drapes. And you can see that pattern on there. It's like a crushed. These are like they feel like silk, but they're not. But they're crushed. And they're blackout, and it's like a silver pewter gray color. These were on clearance. And these are 2 panels, 84 inches long. And these were on clearance for $10.99. And that's how they look like. So that, I thought that was a good deal. So picked those up. Oh, we stepped into Five Below. So just 2 items from there. I picked up this phone case for me. Has the little unicorns with the eyelashes. And crystals are from Swarovski crystals. So that's nice. And this is for the Galaxy S8 Plus. And it's just a clear case. And I thought that was super cute. So I picked that for me. And for my goddaughter, I picked up this Nickelodeon slime kit. So make your own blueberry scent and strawberry scent kit. Again, she's into everything slime. It looks like all the kids are. So picked her that. And that was from Five Below. Right over there. From Guess, right over there. This was the outlet. I picked up just like a bangle type bracelet for myself, and there's a little heart charm attached to it, and I thought it looked super cute and elegant and not too overpowering, so I thought that was super cute. And this was on sale. Let's see, it says here $9.99, but they had 30% off, so it came out to $6.99, I believe. So I picked that up. And for hubby, he just picked up this Guess t-shirt, just simple black and white. Just says Guess Los Angeles, and again, it's just simple black and white. It looks really good on him. So we picked that up. To Ulta, didn't really need anything, but of course I never leave that store without buying anything. I picked up the Tangle Teaser Professional Detangling Hairbrush, wet and dry. I heard the reviews on this brush are absolutely amazing. I have super thick, coarse hair, so I'm hoping to use this in the shower. And I also picked up, they sell this here, but the NYX eyeshadow. This is the prismatic eyeshadow in the color Girl Talk, and it's a very light pink. It's coming across as like beige, but it is a light pink. Nikki Tutorials actually recommends this as a highlighter as well, so I'm going to probably use it as an eyeshadow because I don't really like pink highlighters on me. I'm more of the golden tone because of my olive skin. So we're going to give this a try. So that was from Ulta. Let's see what else do we have here. Oh, also let's just go back to Walmart. I also picked up this neon pop of color Salon Perfect nail polish. This is in the color Pinky Swear, and I just love this color for the summer. And I also picked up a chapstick, Peaches and Cream. This is the I Love Summer collection. I haven't seen these here. They may or may not have them, but I love peaches, so I picked that up. Okay, and the last store that I wanted to share with you was Old Navy. Again, they have Old Navy here. Oh, sorry, Old Navy and Bass. So let me start off with Old Navy first. For myself, I picked up this super cute. Other t-shirts were like $4. This avocado t-shirt, and I thought it was so cute. And it's like a flowy, loose-fitting t-shirt. Well, I bought it a size up just because I like it, but it's avocados all over. It's wrinkly, sorry guys. But I picked that up. I just loved that one. So I picked that up for me. And I also picked up just a plain black. They're $4 again. Oh, you can't. Plain black, and it just has a little heart. This is actually embroidered on, and it says 100%. And I thought that was super cute. I'll have to iron those. And also from Old Navy, hubby picked up this t-shirt, but it has the palm print on it. So with a pair of jeans, this will look super cute. So got that from Old Navy. And hubby from Bass, they were having these wicked sales. Like everything was like 70 to 80% off. So we are going on vacations outside his little comfort zone. So you got these shorts, and these are like a brick red coming across orange, but they're not. They're more of like a brick rusty red, and they're super cute. They have no pleats at the front. They have 2 pockets in the back as well. Super cute. They look really good on him. And again, outside his comfort zone. Oh, you can see my shadow there. He also picked up this shirt, short sleeve shirt with pocket details at the front. But look at this color. It's like a turquoise, like the Caribbean water turquoise. So pretty. Collar with buttons. And the color is just awesome. And it looks so good on him because he's very olive skin. And when he's super tan, this will stand out and looks so great on him. And that was it. That was our Buffalo haul this time around. Not as big as last time, but we got some really good deals, and I thought I'd share those with you. So that is it. Again, thank you so much for watching. And you know the drill. Like always, I will talk to you on my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye, everyone. Have a great day.